Markets plunge once again amid fears of the spreading coronavirus and its potential economic toll.
Sibanye-Stillwater CEO Neil Froneman ringing the bell on the New York Stock Exchange today, but it really was nothing to cheer about. The Dow tumbled more than 1,000 points for a second time this week, the worst one-day point drop in history.
As the U.S. tries to contain the virus, the director of the Centers for Disease Control told a House panel that the agency is revising guidelines to allow testing when a doctor or public health official suspects it.
CBS News correspondent Skylar Henry has the very latest.
CDC Director Robert Redfield tried to ease concerns about the coronavirus.
The risk to the American public is low.
But in congressional testimony Thursday, Redfield said much remains unknown, including precisely how the virus is spread.
But we do know that you can transmit this virus before symptoms.
Redfield said more test kits were being shipped to states, including California. Health officials in Northern California say a woman contracted the virus from an unknown origin. Hers is the first known case of community transmission of coronavirus in the U.S., meaning the patient was probably infected by someone in the general population.
At this point, we don't know where the patient was exposed. At some point, the patient became ill enough to warrant testing for coronavirus, and the result came back positive.
Congress is working on a bill to fund the federal emergency response to coronavirus. In a letter, California Democratic Senator Dianne Feinstein urged Vice President Pence to ensure rapid testing for all suspected cases.
Thursday, Vice President Pence met with his coronavirus task force. He named Dr. Debbie Bricks as the White House response coordinator. At a White House event, the president said attempts at containing the virus in the U.S. are working.
Fortunately, we made the early moves and we closed our borders, but it's working out very professionally. We're doing a tremendous job.
Coronavirus worries hammered stocks for the sixth consecutive session. The Dow plunged nearly 1,200 points, its biggest one-day point drop ever. Skylar Henry, CBS News, Capitol Hill.
Thursday's market drop makes this the worst week on Wall Street since the financial crisis in 2008.